Senior political analyst, Mr. Prem Kaidi, sir. Welcome to this episode of Gorkha Spirit.
Thanks, Gorkha Spirit, and thanks, Dhruva, Professor Dhruva.
Okay, what is your reaction on the attack of U.S. Parliament?
Oh, it's a very bad luck. It's not a good thing. It's a, people are one-sided, and they lost their reasoning, they lost their logic, they lost their temperament. This is not good for country like America. All the world Democrat, they just feel that America must guide to the world on democracy, but the accident that is very negative, that is anti-human spirit, anti-democratic spirit. So I must condemn the people who are involved in such a democratic action. That is not good. Attack on parliament cannot be tolerated. And the present president, Mr. Trump, must say sorry to all this nonsense. He has done a very, very negative things in politics. He just showed that the politics of anarchy, that is not good for democracy, that is not good for humanity.
Okay, what kind of message does it give to the world?
It has given a very bad message, very wrong message, a very demonic message. It's not a good message to threaten the parliament, to threaten the people's representatives, to threaten the place where there is a, the people rely on such a, such a state of, the mind of people is shocked by their action, unholy action, very, very bad action, very, very anti-people action, anti-democratic action, it's a demonic action.
Okay, how do you see the intervention in Nepal by Indo-West colonial powers?
They are just making very bad things. They are just divided. They divided a elected party of Nepalese people. The Communist Party of Nepal is divided, and they just instigate our Prime Minister to go against his own party, his own parliament, his own country. KP Oli is used by the Indo-West imperialist forces. Those are against the political stability of Nepal, against the political progress, and against the Nepalese sovereignty. They are using different type of conspiracies. Now the Nepalese people are very much conscious, and Nepalese people are totally against this action of KP Oli. So KP Oli is isolated, and the Western power, who used him, are throwing him as a toilet paper.
Okay, other political analysts just analyze that international power centers they make the Nepal as a battlefield.
They want to
do you
make
agree?
Nepal like Afghanistan, like Somalia, like Iraq. They want war here. They want to exercise their arms here. The death of, the seller of death, they are active here. They want war. They want to destroy our peace. They want to destroy our stability. They want to destroy Nepal. They want to destroy our civilization. They are guided by, the conversion war. There is a conversion war. they have Bible, they have the arms. They want to use our land, peaceful land, against humanity.
Okay, what's their intentions to make such a...
Yeah, heinous crime. They want Nepal to be under their influence, their Bible, their idea, their the feelings, what they are feeling. Not they don't like Hindus, they don't like humanity, they don't like our civilization, they hate our civilization. They want to control our culture, they want to control our land, they want to control our resources. That is the colonial conspiracy. They are the master in colonial conspiracy. They are here for external micromanagement against Nepal. They want to go against China, they want to go against India. So they are making their, just spreading their influential zone. They want to be the master. Always there is a tactics of colonial tactics, neo-colonial tactics and imperialist tactics. They are just using, they want to control our security. They want to come here. They want to, in the name of development, like World Bank is controlling us. Day by day, Nepalese people are going, very poor due to the World Bank. The World Bank is just providing us big loans. But what is the result? That is no good result. That is, they are making Nepal failure state. Now they want to break the Chinese support. They want to break BRI activities in Nepal. So they are making all this nonsense.
Okay, in such a conspiracy, that's why there is a dispute in NCP. It shows that?
NCP is used, some of the leaders, basically the powerful leader, those who are on power, they are loyal to the imperialist power, and others are against the imperialist activities in Nepal. So there is a conflict. So the conflict is now on the street. So there are two types of forces here. One pro-Nepal, other are external powers. So there is a conflict. But those who are with the external powers, they are already exposed. So the international power will not tolerate, will not further use the hopeless leaders. So they can take another leader for their use against KP Oli. KP Oli is already used, and so they will break through him out.
Okay, then what's the future of Nepal Communist Party, NCP?
NCP future, if the leader of NCP, they will take real stand, they will go to the people, they will just say sorry to the people that whatever they have done in the previous time, if the Nepalese people will accept their request, their activities, their the further plans, then they can stand. But I don't think Nepalese leader, Nepalese political parties, they have a very, very negative position now. They are just hated by the people, all the Communist Party and other parties also. Political leaders are supposed, they all are the same band, in the same, baggage. They are from the same baggage. They are used by the international powers. So they are hopeless. They can do nothing in the support of Nepalese people. So Nepalese people are now, they are preparing for a new revolution. In Nepal, if friends like China will support them, the revolution will come forward and Nepalese people will be totally free from the colonial the shackles of the previous rulers. So I think I appeal to all the intellectuals of Nepal to be united, and all the ex-party workers, they must leave their party and they must come with the people. And all the international friends, they must come with us, with Nepalese people. And then only we can save our country, we can protect our democracy, we can protect our country, and we can protect our sovereignty. Now we are making a new revolution in Nepal.
Thank you, sir, for joining with us.
Jai Gorakh.